Hi techies, Fluffy here. We are going to unbox and give our first impressions on the latest Xiaomi Band, the Xiaomi Band 10. So let's get right to it. We're unboxing Xiaomi's latest wearable packed with a 1.72-inch AMOLED display in stunning style. Meet Xiaomi Smart Band 10, your next wrist essential. It packs a 1.72-inch AMOLED display with 326 ppi, 60Hz refresh, and up to 1500 nits peak brightness, so every stat pops even under the sun. Moisture-resistant touch keeps it precise, and the versatile straps its style and smarts in one. Battery lasts up to 21 days or 9 days with always-on display. And with 200 watch faces plus 5 mini games, this band keeps your wrist fresh and fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. I'm Fluffy for techbeatph.com, driven by tech, powered by people. Catch you in the next one.